How to track your Cash App card. In this tutorial, I will show you how to track your Cash App card. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App. You will land on the app's homepage as you can see here. After that, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. On this page, there are options that you can use to navigate to different sections of your Cash App account. Next, scroll down. Ensure you follow the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Continue scrolling down until you come to this section here. After that, make sure you tap this option here named Support. Please wait for the page to finish loading. This is the help page of Cash App. On this page, there are options that can help you find a solution to different issues you see on the app. From them, scroll a little bit and look for one named Cash App Card. On this page, you will see many different options that are all related to the Cash App card. From the different options that you have here, make sure you tap this one here named Getting Your Card. You will then be taken to this other page here where there are many options related to getting your card. So what you have to do is to search for the one that meets your needs. For us, we will use this option here named Card Delivery. On this page, there is some important information that you have to read carefully. We are being told that once your Cash App card order is approved, it should arrive within 14 days when your physical card arrives in the mail. You'll need to activate it in-app before making a purchase. While you wait, you may be able to access your card details from the Card tab for online purchases or to link to Apple or Google Pay. If you're unable to view your details, follow the prompts on the Card tab to see if you can get early access to these details before your physical card arrives. If you don't receive your card within 14 days, you can report it lost through your app. So, reading and understanding this message, make sure you proceed to this option here at the bottom of the page named Contact Us. Wait for the page to finish loading. Finally, this feedback box will appear. In this text box, you have to type a short message informing the support team of the issue you are facing. Also, you can copy what I have typed here. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to track your Cash App card.